Hey guys, welcome to another video here. So for today's video, it's going to be a little different. I wanted to do a longer video for you guys, but unfortunately Mother Nature didn't really work to my advantage, I guess you could say. It got pretty nasty today as far as the weather and that, and we were actually doing a dry van load. So we took a load to Peoria with that. It was a step deck dry van, so it was a little different. And for me anyway, I'm just not a van hauler. I don't really care for it too much, so I like to stay active. But so anyway, stay tuned to the end of this video. There's going to be a good clip for you guys to see. Like I was saying, the weather got nasty. I fought a wicked storm all the way from Chicago all the way back into Ontario. I actually had my trailer go sideways on me. There was a bad crosswind in the one section, and we hit some black ice, and there was snow on top of the road, and it wasn't good. The load I took down to Peoria was pretty light. The load coming back was just empty racks, so I only had like 4,000 pounds in the box. So it, needless to say, it wasn't really a good ride to have a load that light. So, so like I said, I apologize for the shorter video, but it wasn't what I had planned. I want to do a nice long video of showing you guys different stuff as far as van hauling and that goes. It's pretty cut and dry though. So anyway, as far as the weather we've been having, I guess in the northern states and Ontario and that, hasn't been too nice. For anyone that's watching this video, even if you're not a truck driver, I can't emphasize it enough. Slow down. And you know, the safest spot for the four-wheelers is behind a truck. You know, all these four-wheelers, they get scared and that, but keep your distance and stay behind a truck, and I promise you, you will always be safe. If a truck's gonna start sliding, you're gonna slide too. You're gonna go off the road. You know, it's sometimes there's not much you can do. You know, snow on the road, it's a lot easier. Me being from Canada and running all over Canada, we get quite a bit, and especially out in BC, British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba and that. They get hit a lot harder than us in Ontario. The worst thing anyone can ever do in the snow is hit their brakes. And as soon as someone starts sliding, 9 times out of 10, the first thing you're always going to do is hit your brakes. Don't do that. It's going to make it way worse for you. I promise you. Black ice is black ice. I'm not going to tell anyone how to drive on it. Just slow right down to next to nothing if you absolutely have to get somewhere. Or just stop. Go home. Or just, you know, for us guys out on the road, it's probably just easier just to stop for the night. And I'm more so directing this at new guys getting into the industry. It's not worth, there's no load worth dying over or killing someone else. And I can promise you, at the end of the day, you do not want to be on the hook for manslaughter charges or murder or anything like that. Because at the end of the day, yes, we're truck drivers, we have a job to do, but we're held accountable for what goes on around us. Like anything you do in life, you can prevent it. It doesn't matter if we're talking finances, we're talking, you know, stuff to do with life in general, like anything can be prevented. It's just slowing down and thinking about it and handling it the way it should be handled. No one's perfect. We've all made mistakes. I've made lots of them. I've learned from them though. So this clip you're gonna see is just a lot of people having a bad day, you know. And there was even, what was it, last week there was a bad wreck in Iowa. Cop cruisers were mangled around transports and this and that. It was just, I seen the videos. It was a nightmare. So if I can encourage anyone, or if, you know, if you take anything away from this little talk, is just please slow down, stay behind the trucks. Don't pass the trucks and do 100 miles an hour. Because at the end of the day, we have a lot of weight on. We can't stop as fast. And if you wipe out, you're going to cause everyone behind us to wipe out. And then, you know what, at the end, it's reality. You're taking the chance of a tractor trailer going right over top of you. And we can't have that. It's not safe for us. We're trying to move freight across the country to keep everyone around the world, I guess, give them what they need to live day to day. Without truck drivers, nobody has anything. If every truck across the country, the world, decided, guess what, we're going to stop running freight up and down the road for 1 day, 2 days, probably not even that long. It's, no one has anything. Food, you know, I used to be in the reefer game. I, you know, did stuff in Ontario for Loblaws, hauling groceries to grocery stores every night. You'd be surprised how many trucks go in and out of a grocery store to keep those, I guess, the shelves stocked up. I never realized it until I did it. So stay safe out there, and like I said, keep your distance. For the new guys getting into the industry, just remember, there's nothing worth dying for or killing anyone else. Just pull over, relax, slow down. You know, like I said, I had my trailer go sideways on me. And I don't have, you know, a lot of experience compared to some people that watch this channel, but I have enough to know what I need to do when it happens. And I had my trailer go sideways. I was in the right lane. I looked in my mirror, the trailer's in the left lane. It was 2 lanes one way, 2 lanes the other way, but it's not the point. It went right over. And it's that fast that you're on black ice, and you are not going to do anything about it. Thank God that I hit a dry patch and I got it straight again. But it wasn't even just the fact of the black ice. It was the fact that I had 4,000 pounds in a box that's acting like a kite and was literally pushing me sideways on that ice. That's the dangerous part. So guys, like I said, I apologize for the short video. I had plans for a bigger one. Stay tuned for the next one coming. I promise it's going to be better. And let's hope the warm weather's around the corner, I hope. And we're going to get some good stuff going here. And drop comments, like, subscribe. A lot of the people that view the videos, they're not subscribed. So, you know, come hang out. We're a family here. We're building a friendship and a community. So hit that subscribe button and come have some fun and maybe learn a little bit and teach me some stuff, and we'll carry on. So anyway, guys, stay safe out there. Until next time, keep the shiny side up and keep on trucking.